Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina. Look at that. I now made some envelopes. It's been a while since the last time I've made the envelopes. So after doing a bunch of junk journal covers, which I still have some available, just 3 actually, I think. And now I've made some envelopes. And I'm gonna show you like one. So they're gonna be all available on my website. And look at that. They all have a gorgeous bow like that. This is my new and favorite way to do bows, with lots of fabric and seam binding and chiffon silk or sari silk. And inside of those envelopes, instead of just gluing the sides, I've been doing a fabric side, so you kind of have space there. You're not fighting against a tight pocket, and so the pocket is a bit bigger and you have more space there. They're all backed with some tracing papers, so you get some noise out of it, and they all have some sort of a design at the back as well, a little decoration, something. Inside them, I've put a little collection of laces. So you have some fancy yarns, you have a little camé, which I love and is gorgeous. This one is glued to the little applique, and it's glued to this large cotton frizz. And it's all together with a rusted pin. But you can, the goal is that you can remove all of that and use them. So this one is kind of a decoration. This is to be used to create a bow or two. And then I've put gorgeous treasures. So this is from the vintage curtain that I got. So everyone gets a piece of that. Everyone gets that lace that has some gold with it. Really, really cute. That vintage flowers, and look at those flowers, they are just gorgeous. Then everybody gets a bit of the Crafty Me shop that has glitters. This is a vintage lace, and this is a vintage lace too that is large and very delicate as well. So you have a little collection of laces to use in your journals. And this was my way to fill the pocket and give some sort of a little gift value in the pocket of the envelope. So this is number 1, and this is number 2, which they are almost identical. The only difference is here you have a perfume bottle with little booties, and here you have this instead, the mannequin and booties. So, but the rest I kind of followed the same. Oh, the paper is a little bit different, but same style. And they both have the back decorated. So number 1, number 2. Number 3. Look at that. These are end flowers that I did in the past. There's a tutorial for that. I've put some stamina on both sides. A gorgeous Crafty Me shop applique. A little bow there. This is another Crafty Me shop lace. And you have a doily there. Then look at that Crafty Me shop lace there as well. Inside you have the same gorgeous treasure. And then at the back you have the doily and the sari silk plus the paper that makes it a whole. This is number 3. Isn't it cute? I love that one. Well, I love them all. This is yellow, gray, and white. Not my typical colors, but I have this applique here that I added little flowers in the middle because it was kind of empty in the middle. A yellow bow with some fabric. This is Crafty Me Shop laces. And the whole thing has been made out of a doily. And I've put one of my labels that has been tea stained heavenly because this is heavenly. You can put spiritual things inside as well. And this is the decoration here. And of course you have the laces there. This is number 4. And the last one, number 5. I started with that doily that had like vivid colors. And I love it, actually. That's a little bit not in my typical style. So you have a gorgeous bow here with some polka dot, sari silk, Crafty Me Shop appliques here and there. A little cluster that I did with my labels fabric. And the stripe, the pink stripe, is my Ödulcina fabric that has been tea stained, so it's perfect to match that doily that is not white. Look at that. And inside I've used the Crafty Me Shop applique and some laces that I have. And again, you have the fabric to expand the envelope, and this one has a little heart there instead, but the rest is everything is the same. Look at that. And at the back it looks like that. This is the number 5. So I just wanted to show you all those gorgeous envelopes available for you. It's been so long since the last time I've put some available for you, and I've been requested a lot. So here is your chance. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.